Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. Today I'm going to be doing a taste test on these Kit Kat Lemon Crisps. I found them when I was out shopping and I had to get them because lemon crisp just sounded so good, and I really love trying out all the different kinds of Kit Kats that they make. I know in other countries it's not so special to have crazy flavors, but here in the US I feel like it's not a regular thing to see crazy flavors at the store. So when I saw these, I had to pick them up, and I've been dying to open this bag all night long, but I wanted to make sure we could do a video for this, and I didn't want to come in having ruined the first impressions on the taste test. I know Android, it was just killing him all night not to have any. Alright, so they come in a little baby Kit Kat size, which I did think was a little bit cute. Alright, so first impressions, it kind of just looks like a little vanilla Kit Kat. What do you think? 2 stars? He gives it 2 stars. These are so delicious. It tastes literally exactly like a lemon bar. I see why they called it lemon crisp, because obviously it's not soft at all like a lemon bar, but other than that, it's literally the same thing. Overall, I give these 5 out of 5 stars. I would definitely get these again. I do think that they are seasonal. I found them in the Easter section, so that's probably why they're such a fun flavor, just randomly. Well, if you guys enjoyed this little video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. It is a 100% free way that you can help Android grow his cooking channel. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.